In this video, I will quickly show you how to host a website on Vercel and get your project online in just a few minutes. First, go to the Vercel website and sign in to your account. You can log in using GitHub, Google, or GitLab. Once you are inside, click the New Project button to create a new project. Next, select the repository you want to publish. Vercel usually detects the project settings automatically, including the framework used. After that, review the settings and click Deploy. Vercel will install dependencies, build the project, and publish the site automatically. After a few seconds, the platform will generate a public link where your site will be available online. Whenever you update the repository code, Vercel can automatically create a new deployment. This makes updating your site very easy. And that's it. Now you know how to host on Vercel quickly and easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.